Hi, in this video you will be learning how to make your 3D atom model. First, you'll need to gather your materials. You will need a small styrofoam ball, a colored Sharpie and a black Sharpie, some beads. You will need the same number of beads as electrons. These are going to be your electrons, so you'll need the same number of beads as electrons. And everyone should start by grabbing 3 pipe cleaners. You may not need all of these pipe cleaners, but you're going to start off by grabbing 3. Other helpful things for this project will be a note card, some tape, a pair of scissors, a pencil, and any colored pencils or markers that you might want to use on your note card. The first thing we're going to do is color our nucleus, and then we're going to put the number of protons and the number of neutrons on our nucleus as well. My example is calcium, so I wrote the number of protons and the number of neutrons, just like this. Your teacher has a silver Sharpie if your nucleus is kind of dark colored. The next thing we're going to do is create the first orbital, and to do that, we're going to take a pipe cleaner and cut it in half. We're going to save the other half because we'll need that if we have a third orbital. Calcium has 20 electrons, and there are 2 electrons in the first electron shell, so I'll put them on the pipe cleaner and twist it up like this, and then of course make sure that they are spread out. That's my first orbital. For the second orbital, we're going to use a whole pipe cleaner. This one can hold up to 8 electrons. I'm going to put them on now. Now for our third orbital, this one is going to take 1 full pipe cleaner and the half pipe cleaner from before. So we will attach these, and then we're going to put 8 electrons maximum on this ring as well. Alright, I still have 2 electrons left for calcium, and those are going to go in the 4th orbital. So I will need to get 2 more pipe cleaners for this. How do you know if you're going to have a 4th orbital? Well, if your element is found in the 4th period, then you will need another set of pipe cleaners because you are going to have a 4th orbital. Your next step is to go to your teacher, and she will string up your nucleus just like this. So you have a nice long string to attach all your orbitals to. The final step is to tie all of these onto the string to make the model. Really beautiful. Now you're going to attach your note card, which has your element symbol and all the different uses for your element, and on the back all of that important information. Thanks for watching.